Hi everyone, in today's tutorial we'll talk about how to create a new Telegram account using your phone number and then how to protect it with two-stage verification. Let's open Telegram and I'll show you step by step. After it we click on Start Messaging and enter your phone number. We continue, click on Yes. Now just wait a bit when Telegram bot will call to us. Here is the incoming call. We answer it and bot declines it. So we passed phone verification and here we can type our name. Let's type Telegram help. And save it. So basically we created our new Telegram account. As the next step we should click on those three lines in the left side of the screen. And then we go to settings. Scroll down and click on privacy and security. Now we're gonna protect our account with two-step verification. We should click on set password. Come up with some password. Re-enter your password. Then we need to think up a hint. And even in case you forgot your password, you can just type your email and you will avoid a lot of problems in the future. Well, let's say you forgot your password and you didn't leave here your email, you will never be able to sign up again. So you're risking to lose your account forever. You better type your email and click on continue. So now you can go to your email and find there your verification code. Here we got our code. Just remember it and type. Well, we did it, the password is set. And now we can get back to Telegram settings. And here you can find the message which confirms that you passed two-step verification. Now your account is fully protected. Thank you guys for watching. Hit that like button and the bell to receive notifications. See you in the next videos.